How to set any song as a ringtone on Android. Hey there everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To set any song of your preference as a ringtone on your device, it is pretty simple. Firstly, tap open your Android settings in your device. From here, you need to scroll down until and unless you see the option of sound and vibration. Please note that the keywords might be different depending upon the Android model and the version. You can search for ringtone by tapping on the search icon right here at the top, or just tap on sound and vibration. Scroll down and you should find the option of phone ringtone. I have two of the SIM card, that's why I have two of this option. If you have only one, you can only find the option of phone ringtone. Just select on the available option. So at the bottom you will see system ringtone, which you can just select and place it as your ringtone on your device. Or if you want to customize it, at the top you will see custom ringtone, or it can be something next such as use from your device. You need to click on the existing option, then from here you'll find every other music that you have in your playlist on your device. Now to set any song, just tap on the song that you prefer as a ringtone. After that, you will be able to set the song as ringtone on your Android device. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much.